Ngayon ko lang to nalaman, pero under SSS law, and kung nagbabayad ka ng SSS contributions, kapag pala nawalan ka ng trabaho, you are entitled to yung tinatawag nila na unemployment benefits, which is 50% of the member's average monthly salary credit for a maximum of 2 months, paid as a one-time lump sum. So, ibig sabihin, kung 20,000 yung sweldo mo, kapag nawalan ka ng trabaho, entitled ka din sa 20,000 as long as you have the following qualifications. You're under 60 years old, 36 monthly contributions na yung nabayad mo sa SSS, with 12 of those within the 18 months prior to the involuntary separation. So, kung bago ka lang natanggalan ng trabaho, it's like very recent. Qualified ka naman for this benefit. Tapos, syempre, pag nawalan ka ng trabaho and that is due to involuntary separation, hindi yung ikaw yung nag-resign. So, sobrang helpful pala nito. Kasi, diba, like, how many of us ang nawala ng trabaho na hindi tayo yung dahilan kung bakit tayo nawalan ng trabaho. Tapos hindi natin alam na meron pala tayong unemployment benefits under the SSS law. Which is malaking tulong kasi for example, kung ang average monthly salary credit mo is 40,000. 40,000 din yung matatanggap mo, diba? So, ibig sabihin, hindi naman pala walang kwenta completely yung binabayad mo sa SSS. So, hopefully, huwag kang mawalan ng trabaho. Pero kapag nawalan ka ng trabaho, always remember, kung nagbayad ka ng SSS, i-claim mo na ang unemployment benefit mo. I think a lot of us are not claiming this at all because we're just completely unaware. But now you know.